reiterate our commitment to work with the IPOA in enabling them to fulfill its very, very important role of providing external oversight to on behalf of the Kenyan people to what the police does. We have discussed a range of issues with respect to how we should proceed in fulfillment of our respective mandates. And we have agreed that whereas we have worked largely very well in the past with the authority and with the previous board, we acknowledge that there were indeed some difficulties, and we have agreed that we will henceforth find ways of working well together and ironing out whenever difficulties occur. We have acknowledged some of the excellent joint efforts that we have undertaken together,